morning, y'all. Well, it's the end of August, and I have a conundrum that I need to start working on in order to get things ready for next spring. This is a pretty flat area right in front of the barn that I want to turn into a garden next year. But as you can see, it's a yard. I mean, it's some clover, a lot of leaves, a lot of weeds. But I get direct sunlight a lot of this during the day. Today it's a beautiful overcast day. And there's multiple ways that I know I can do this. I can till it, but I don't want to have to go out and buy a rototiller. I can tarp it. That'll kill all the weeds, and hopefully by next spring it'll just be bare earth. But then they compost it. So I've been wondering what's the best way of getting this taken care of. And then it dawned on me, I have a workforce, a noisy one, but I have a workforce right here. And they like fresh grass, and they like tilling, and they like scratching. So maybe that'll work. So the game plan is to use these guys to work that portion of the yard, that field. And that way they're scratching it, tearing down the weeds, tearing down the grass, and adding fertilizer to the ground. Really, Chester? Really, while I'm videoing? You gonna do it again? I can get the focus on him. He's a very pretty rooster. He does make a lot of noise. There we go. Okay. So I have an electrical netting I picked up from Tractor Supply. It's 164 feet long. So I'm going to put that up and release my workers with Chester and the geese to take care of the yard. The lone chicken, all by herself. The brave chicken, not even looking for hawks. So adventurous. Bugs are the life. super chicken. So, let's see if it works.